I'll be discussing the Monarch Butterfly Project. This video talks about elementary age students using a lot of science, social studies, math, and even English to record the patterns of monarch butterflies in their migrations. The lesson is basically about recording and discovering the patterns of monarch butterflies and a few other animals across the world in their migrations. They're using a lot of maps and even a website called Journey North to track these findings and record them. Journey North gives them a way to input their findings into the website so that other people can use them in the future. It is very interactive. It's very interactive. The students are very hands-on with that lesson. They are participating in class. They are involving themselves with their classmates and discovering new things as scientists would. I see students behaving as scientists during this lesson. I think it gives them an idea of how scientists find things and it makes them feel more involved in the classroom. They're using a lot of maps and technology, i.e., a computer and even a television to see these findings. They're working in groups, and like I said, they're participating with their teacher and their classmates. In the video, they're raising their hands a lot. They're giving their own input about the patterns. They're also watching their teacher show these patterns through a map on the television. They're interacting with each other while working in these groups. They're writing. It also impacts their English learning and everything. So it just gives them a sense of purpose. This lesson gives them a sense of purpose. I think that this lesson is very effective. It is, like I said, it's very interactive, which gives the students a purpose. It makes them become more intentional. The teacher mentions in the video that students are more keen about their grammar and their spelling and their penmanship when they're writing because they know that other people will see these. They're also getting to see how other people across the world are affected by the same things that they see on a daily basis. The lesson starts off with them getting paper monarchs in the mail from students in Mexico. And I think that opens them up to a new set of diversity that they maybe haven't seen before. And I think that's really good, especially starting off young with these kids in elementary school. It's just showing them their diversity around the world that is very important. Um, I think that the students knowing that other people will read this makes it even more effective because it gives them this idea that, what they're writing is important and it matters and that other people are interested in what they think and what they are learning and what they're recording at the moment. I think that this is beneficial to the students because it starts them off young on learning how the world works. It gives them a wide range of diversity and seeing how things are impactful across the world. Like I said, it started off in Mexico. So seeing that something impacts them in the United States also impacts someone in Mexico broadens their mind and opens them up to, knowing that we aren't the only people around and that other people see things and it's just as effective here as it is everywhere else. I could see me using this in my classroom, and one of my guiding questions could be, why do animals migrate? I could start that off, and with that question, we can discuss a few animals that migrate, and then we can hone in on the monarch butterflies and talk about why this happens, what is the butterfly's purpose, and what are the effects of the migrations that these animals are doing on a yearly basis.